Fine, whatever. Let's just get on with it already.
That's a sufficient demonstration, Geen.
He'll slice anybody's
Obedience.
Possible.
Nice to see you, Geen. Have you gotten taller? And Geen, could you put that away? It's dangerous.
We didn't come here to take your life. I have a message addressed to you from the boss.
Really? From Mr. Mori? I'm on here, for example. I remember when you were only this big. You were such a dainty little lass.
Don't change the subject.
Unfortunately, hostilities can no longer be littered with human entrails.
The agency? There's no way you're gonna—
Geen here is a trained assassin. It will
If you do anything to Naomi,
up their sleeve than we had expected.
You get the bastard?
her delicate aura radiating like in a dream or an illusion. She stole my heart, even from 500 meters away.
Seen you in a while. Let's go home.
Secret agent. Either way, I need to expose her and stop my superior from being compromised. Her tiger has a picture of her.
Seriously?
Infiltrator with my own 2 hands!
Why did you both follow me here, ma'am? Yeah.
Then that means this whole time I've been chasing Mr. Akutagawa's
Little sister!
I can't believe you're Akutagawa's sister. You doing okay over there?
What now?
like you to call me Big Sis.
Just kill the freaking detectives! I said, Francis might be with the military police, so make sure you don't—
Still not giving up your old gangster habits, Tachihara? The Port Mafia's actions are not determined by wage in dangerous business. Have it, detectives. Have you heard quite enough yet?
It was a trap!
Stay back, you dumb shit!
Wow. The escape boat is in the under...
Go!
Instantly.
I've checked the waterway bulkheads as well. We're safe here.
I have a badass older brother. Did my story strike a chord?
Hey! Run! I can't control it! I can't control the sword! Ah!
I heard you were stabbed in the gut.
It wasn't as bad as it sounds.
It wasn't a—
Opinion, do you think I'm cut out for the Port Mafia?
Is to anyone paying attention. Right, Gin.
Yes. It isn't even worth considering. The detective agency aren't terrorists. It's preposterous.
None of it made any sense to me.